Hey guys, today we're out here at this little pond fishing for little baby bass. They just spawned. And usually these baby bass are pushed up. Oh, guys, y'all cannot see me down there. So, I'm going to yeah. There. I should be able to see me a little bit more. Okay. How much better? Yeah, I left me out there. This is not what I Let's go. Hey! Freaking go, y'all. Caught a freaking turtle. That was unexpected. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, let's let him go. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, hilarious. People looking for their kids, but it's my cousins. But anyways, got a nice little bass. Nice little one. Nice little bass. So, this video has consisted of bass and turtle catching. But this pond is known for these bass. This is all it has in it. This is what I like. But there's some kids. But let's go throw them back. Guys, I've been here for probably 4 more minutes. Haven't got a freaking single bite. Can't get him to bite it. So I'm gonna catch y'all here in a minute, but I'm about to change my bait to like a rooster tail probably, because those are really good. Okay guys, we're back. I got the rooster tail tied on. Now let's see how long it takes me to catch fish. Another one. Another nice little bass. I'm telling you guys, I love this pond because of this right here. So let's get back out there and see if we can get another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. See guys, that's why I fish with a rooster. Now you cannot look at me and tell me that that is not the best bait ever. Freaking 2 bass, 4 minutes. It took the other one 6 minutes just to catch 1 bass. So that's what he does. hey guys, that's gonna be all we got for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all like, subscribe, hit the comment. I will see y'all guys on the next one. Bye bye.